Hi everyone, today I'm making chicken tikka rice bowl using Ninja Speedi. So the first step is to marinate the chicken. Here I have 1 pound of boneless chicken, adding to it 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix all real well. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. After that, we are gonna add the veggies, onions and bell peppers to this mixture and then put these on the skewers. I'm putting the bell peppers and onions in. I'll thread the chicken and vegetables on the skewers. This is how one skewer looks like. I'll keep threading till all the chicken is skewered. All the chicken is on the skewers. Now I'm gonna start cooking in the Ninja Speedi. I have placed 1 cup rinsed rice in the main pot, adding 2 cups of chicken stock. You can use water if you prefer that. Adding 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of cumin powder, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give this all a stir. I've placed the crisper tray on top, and next I'm going to put the chicken skewers on it. Close the lid. Select rapid cook at 390 for 15 minutes. The rapid cooking just ended. Chicken and rice should be ready now. Let me take it out. The rice looks good and ready as well. Let me place them in a bowl with the rice at the bottom, chicken tikka salad and chutney on top.